Hi, today I'm for the Realme 10 and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. First, let's open the settings application and then scroll to the sound and vibration. Here we can see the sound mode section. Tap here, and just to turn on the silent mode, we should switch ring to the silent by this way. Now we can see that our ringtones and notifications, they are muted. If you wanna turn off the silent mode, just switch it here to the ring, or just you can make it by the second way, just to unmute ringtone volume panel. Now we can see that the silent mode activated, just successfully changed to the ringtone to the ringing mode just automatically. Also, we have one more way how we can do that. Just first open notification panel shortcuts and you'll see here a ring icon. Click twice on the ring icon and we can see here that the silent mode is activated. Just to turn it off, we should click here once again on the silent mode icon and it switch automatically to the ring one. So one more way, the third one, just we can press up or down volume button and then you'll see here this bell icon. Click once on the bell icon, it switched to the cross bell, so this means that the silent mode is activated. To turn it off, just click on the bell icon once again and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.